In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Favicon to Squarespace 7.1. Create browser icon for free. A favicon is the tiny icon you see in your browser tab next to your site title. It helps people recognize your brand at a glance, especially when they have lots of tabs open. Let's add one to your Squarespace 7.1 site in just a few clicks. First, log into your Squarespace account and open the site you want to edit. From your site's dashboard, head into your website settings. If you're not sure where to find things, look for the settings panel for your website. That's where we'll make the change. Inside settings, use the search bar at the top to quickly find what we need. Type Favicon. Then select the Favicon option when it appears. This takes you straight to the place where you can upload and manage the small icon that shows in browser tabs and bookmarks. On the Favicon screen, click Add a Favicon. Before you choose a file, a quick tip. The best results come from a simple square image. A 512 by 512 pixel PNG with a transparent background is ideal, but JPG also works. Keep the design bold and uncluttered so it remains clear at very small sizes. If you don't have an icon yet, you can quickly create one for free using any basic graphic or logo tool. Just export a square image and you're good to go. Now click Select from Library. If you've already uploaded your logo or icon to your site, you'll see it here. Pick the image you want to use as your favicon. If the exact image isn't there, you can upload it to your library and then select it. Once you've chosen the right file, click Add to confirm your selection. Back on the favicon page, you'll see a preview of your icon. If it looks good, click Save. That's it. The favicon is now attached to your site. A few final notes to make sure everything looks right. Browsers often cache favicons, so it may take a few minutes to update. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page, try a private browsing window, or clear your cache. Also check your site on both desktop and mobile browsers to confirm it's crisp and recognizable. If it looks fuzzy, try exporting a cleaner, higher contrast version of your icon and repeat the same steps to replace it. You've now added a professional browser icon to your Squarespace site. Thanks for watching.